everybody, it's Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics here, wanting to share with you one of my favorite green drinks. And this is essential not just from a point of view of nourishment for the inside of the body, but to share with you a little bit of science about what it's actually going to be doing from a vital energy point of view within the cells. From there, we will also liken being good on the inside as well as care on the outside with our specialized cosmetics, because the two together, marriage made in heaven. So to begin with, this is a NutriBullet drink, and I never include any of those things that are a little bit too tasty, such as things as bananas, mangoes, etc. Too high in sugar. Quite frankly, rather just eat a chocolate. Much better for you. And don't be under any illusion that those types of things are dietary or good for you. My choice is, firstly, the cruciferous vegetables, which is baby spinach, cucumber, celery. Might I add that these vegetables take more energy to digest than you store. I add a half a carrot because a carrot is lovely, flavoursome and fibrous, and some frozen blueberries. Remembering that blueberries and all the berry family, it's not fructose or sucrose, it's xylitol, so it is a very low GI. So to begin with, this is what we do. We take, and I'm doing it for two because we must always, sharing is caring. We put the base of our NutriBullet beaker, we fill the base with our frozen blueberries. From that point, to make it tasty, because we must be tasty, we put 1 good teaspoon of xylitol. After doing the xylitol, we chop up our vegetables. Half a carrot per beaker, about that size cucumber, and about 1.5 to 2 sticks of celery. So I'm going to chop that up. Put a bit of muscle power into it. Right, in goes the celery. Even Stevens. Cukes. In they go. Carrot. Like so. And I'll take a breather just to explain to you why it's important that we're doing this. What vegetables contain, and the fibrous leaves, is in their structure, they contain the 4th state of water. This is called easy water, and it almost resembles a type of gel. This type of water is highly energized, if you like, almost like a battery. So can you just imagine from being able to gain it from your NutriBullet drink, ingest it into your system, directly available or bioavailable to your cells. Can you just imagine how energizing that is? So there we have it. After putting all the bigger pieces, we fill it up to the max line. From there, we're very generous with our spinach. Got to pack it in, give it a good push. We want all those marvelous greens. Baby spinach, kale, Swiss chard, all is good. Let me do my little buddy over here. Pop it in. And while we blitz it, we will go on pause, so it's not offensive to your ears. And from there, we'll then show the finished product. But before I do that, after pushing it down nicely, pop on our blade. We will give it a little shake, and then we will blitz it. Be back in a minute. Well, there we go. That's done. We unscrew the blade, pop that in the sink, put on our elegant little handle. Now we're ready for consumption. I'm going to have a little taste. It's food for the gods, I tell you. Now, my next secret. We've got easy water, phytonutrients, enzymes, antioxidants in this drink. This is my trilogy made in heaven. NovExpert, cost effective, but these boosters are super, super potent. Orange, vitamin C. Vitamin C produces collagen. It's a massive antioxidant. It lightens and brightens. This is, if you like, our easy water for our skin. Hyaluronic acid, holding 1,000 times its weight in water. The NovExpert Omegas, 3, 6, 9, 5, and 7, is literal food or nourishment for the skin. Using mixology, what I do is I start with a little blast, half a dropper, 2 to 5 drops of the Omegas, all together in mixology, and on it goes. My next favorite product, and I'm never without it, you see me on my videos giving spritzes, the NovExpert Smoothing Mist. It's a hyaluronic mist. No self-respecting lady is ever without it. Giving a spritz gives a glow second to none. So, beauty inside out. I hope you try it.